Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review 2 skincare products from Wardah that I've been trying lately. These products are really popular, especially for teenagers and people who want affordable skincare with lightweight formula. The 2 products that I'll review today are Wardah UV Shield Acne Calming Sunscreen Moisturizer SPF 35 PA+++, the green one, and Wardah Lightening Day Gel Moisturizer, the Day Gel Moisturizer. I'll talk about the packaging, texture, ingredients, how they feel on the skin, who they are suitable for, the pros and cons, and whatever I think they are worth buying or not. So, if you're serious about these products and want an honest review, keep watching. Okay. First, product review. I have Wardah UV Shield Acne Calming Sunscreen. The packaging. Okay, let's start with the sunscreen first. This is the Wardah UV Shield Acne Calming Sunscreen Moisturizer SPF 35 PA+++. The packaging is honestly really cute and simple. It comes in a green tub, which already give acne care vibes. The size is also practical, so it's easy to put inside your bag or pouch. The tube feels lightweight and the cap closes tightly, so I don't really worry about leakage. I personally like skincare packaging that looks clean and simple like this because it feels fresh and not too complicated. Claims. According to Wardah, this sunscreen is made especially for acne-prone skin. It claims to protect the skin from UV rays, help calm acne-prone skin, feel lightweight, not clog pores, moisturizer the skin. And honestly, these claims are the reason why many people are interested in try this sunscreen. For the texture and skin. Now, let's talk about the texture. The texture is creamy but still lightweight. When I first applied it, I thought it would feel heavy because it's a sunscreen moisturizer, but surprisingly, it fits really easily. The color is slightly white, but once blended, it melts into the skin pretty well. For the skin, it has a soft skincare smell. It's not too strong, so for me it's still comfortable to use. If you're sensitive to fragrance, you might still notice a little bit, but personally, I think it's okay. Application on the skin. When I applied to my face, the first thing I noticed was how moisturizing it felt. Sometimes acne sunscreen can feel dry or make the skin tight, but this one actually feels comfortable. It gives a healthy glow but not an oily glow. I also noticed that it doesn't leave a strong white cast on my skin. Maybe if your skin tone is deeper, there could be a slight white cast at first, but after blending, it becomes more natural. Another thing I like is that it layers well under makeup. I tried using cushion and powder after apply this sunscreen, and I didn't or peel on my skin. That's a big plus for me. For the performance throughout the day, uh, how it performs during the day, I test this sunscreen both indoors and outdoors. For indoor activity like studying, working, or staying inside most of the time, I think the sunscreen feels really comfortable. It doesn't make my skin greasy quickly. For outdoor activity, uh, under hot weather, I notice my T-zone becomes slightly oily after a few hours, but honestly, that's pretty normal for me. The good thing is that it still felt lightweight and didn't make my face feel suffocated. I also didn't experience new breakouts while using this sunscreen. Of course, skincare results can be different for everyone, but on my skin, it felt gentle. Okay. Next, with this sunscreen suitable for? Uh, in my opinion, this sunscreen is suitable for acne-prone skin, oily skin, combination skin, teenager, beginner who want affordable skincare. But if you have extremely oily skin and prefer a super matte sunscreen, maybe this won't feel matte enough for you. And if you have very dry skin, you'll probably like this moisturizing effect. The pros. Uh, about the pros first, it feels lightweight on the skin's. Second, it's affordable. Third, it doesn't feel sticky. Fourth, it works well under makeup. And fifth, it's easy to find in store and online. And the sunscreen have a cons. For the cons, the finish is more glowy than matte, so oily skin people might need powder. Also, there's still a slight fragrance, and the SPF is SPF 35, which is okay for daily use, but some people may prefer higher SPF for intense outdoor activity. Okay, rating for this sunscreen. In my statement, I will personally rate it around uh, 8 out of 10. I think it's a really good daily sunscreen for student, beginner, and people who want comfortable sunscreen without spending too much money. Maybe that's all from me for the review sunscreen Wardah UV Shield Acne Calming Sunscreen Moisturizer SPF 35 PF++++, and see you next video. Thank you for watching. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to buy because this sunscreen is worth it.